Named Light of China, the China Pavilion of the Expo 2020 Dubai, shaped like a traditional Chinese lantern, symbolizes hope in a brighter future for humanity. Covering an area of 4,636 square meters, the China Pavilion is one of the largest pavilions at the Expo 2020 Dubai currently held in the United Arab Emirates. The pavilion showcases China's latest achievements in the areas of information technology, modern transportation, artificial intelligence, smart living and space exploration. Among the highlights of the China Pavilion are exhibits about the Beidou navigation satellite system, the high-speed railway, the autopilot new energy concept car, robots, and the light show at night.
Artificial intelligence is also a focus of the China Pavilion. We have a very friendly and cute panda robot here. I heard that he can play Tai Chi and practice Chinese calligraphy, and also he can dance and draw pictures. And now let's say hello to him.
Hi, I am the ambassador of peace and friendship.
This is the first time that the World Expo is staged in the Middle East, North Africa and South Asia. Under the theme of Connecting Minds, Creating the Future, the Expo will inspire people by showcasing the best of collaboration and innovation from around the world.